Easter Sunday, getting ready to launch the boat. We're gonna head over to our
you can say it,
cousin's house.
Hello.
Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Got a little bit of rainwater in there. Just trying to drain it all out.
Rain, it was like leaning forward instead of backwards.
Hi everyone. It's me and Leah out here.
Woo! Happy Easter Sunday!
About to turn up on Easter. Easter boats moment.
Easter dress.
Look at the toes on. Easter nail polish.
Nails.
Launching it out. Easter Sunday fun day.
No, if you go in, Mako can float off.
Turn up Sunday.
Okay, Leah. Look how beautiful. Such a smooth sail out.
Alright, see you suckers.
Bye. Oh, there's so many little bugs here.
What?
Little bugs.
The love bugs? But no one really loves them.
You two look like the love bugs.
Because they attach onto each other.
We got my cousin's Tinny right here. He's got the offshore boat in the front driveway. My boat got some shiners. Doing some freshwater fishing.
Are you serious?
I swear to God.
That is so
I saw that you followed her the other day, and I'm like,
Yeah.
how does Thomas know her? You know,
Man,
I know,
it's
the
like,
fishing
you
boat.
gotta be kidding me.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell him about the guy with the battery.
Oh yeah.
I'll never forget this story.
He came in with a trolling motor. He puts the trolling motor up on the counter, and he's like, and I'm like, what's going on, man? What's the problem? He's like, well, when I unconnect my trolling motor from the battery, it stops working. I'm like, wait, so you take the alligator clips off and the trolling motor shuts off? He's like, yeah, so it's broken. I'm like, well, man, it needs to be plugged into the battery. You need to plug it into the battery in order for it to work. Like, it doesn't have a battery built in.
You should have been like.
Yeah, I couldn't even. I didn't think that was actually what he was asking me. And then and then he goes and I'm like, he's like, man, he's like, okay, well, I just can't keep buying these batteries. They're getting expensive. Like these car batteries, you know, the big deep cycle batteries.
It wasn't charging?
And I'm going, dude, are you using this with your trolling motor? And then when it dies, are you throwing it away and buying another battery? He goes, yeah. I'm like, buddy, man, these are rechargeable batteries.
That's insane.
You'll get 3 years out of this battery. You gotta charge it, then use it, charge it, use it. Guy was just throwing away batteries every time it would die. And then he was getting mad when he unplugged it from the battery, the trolling motor would shut off.
You thought it would charge like the trolling motor?
Huh?
You thought it would like charge the trolling motor or something?
I don't know what this guy thought. All I know is I'm like, all you need, man, is a battery charger. He didn't get a battery charger. He left with another battery. So he didn't get what I was saying either.
You should have been like, man, I've never heard of that problem before, and you got to call corporate, because that's beyond me.
Yeah. Listen, I only work here, man. I'm not a mechanic.
You
gotta push the thing down and put it in and out of gear.
Yeah, that little thing by your like. What year is this, Uncle Tom?
55.
It's a 55 Feathercraft.
55.
Restored it a couple of times, right? Twice.
Hey there, Captain.
Thomas, you sure you used to being on a boat?
I think so. Should I wear the life jacket?
At the bridge full of spider webs.
Happy Easter to y'all.
Alright, we got some Easter goers ball.
We're helping out.
At least we didn't get skunked. This guy would be thrilled.
Yeah, who's the soccer kicker?
I'm not kicking it, Tom.
There, Jesse.
You missed.
I mean, I'll do it.
I kick it again.
How about if we just take off?
Are you ready?
That's not fun.
Well, wait, let him get it.
No problem. Can't see you, can't
You're doing good. Slide it about a reverse.
Hey Thomas, how does it feel? The stability different.
And that's why, you know, this thing here, man, when I'm by myself fishing, by myself, I just like, it's crazy.
It's so cool. It looks like a little.
Many beers.
That thing looks like a little torpedo, though. Oh.
His wife wasn't here. That's the only two girlfriends were Jesse and Nick. You guys have having trouble? Everybody else.
On the air.
It might be easier to walk the other way.
Like on the dock.
Can I see your registration, please, sir? Life jackets, fire extinguisher.